Hello everyone. Are you curious about whether there is a time zone in Antarctica? Let's explore. Antarctica, with its vast expanse of ice and snow, is a place of extremes, both in terms of its climate and its geographical features. As the Earth's southernmost continent, Antarctica presents unique challenges and opportunities for exploration and scientific research. One of the questions that often arises is whether there is a time zone in Antarctica, given its remote and uninhabited nature. The concept of time zones is a human construct, designed to divide the Earth's surface into regions with uniform timekeeping for practical and logistical purposes. Time zones are typically based on lines of longitude, with each zone corresponding to a specific range of longitudes and a standard time offset from Coordinated Universal Time. However, the distribution of time zones is uneven across the globe, with some regions spanning multiple time zones and others adhering to a single time zone for simplicity and convenience. In the case of Antarctica, the situation is somewhat unique due to its extreme latitude and lack of permanent human habitation. Unlike other continents, which are divided into multiple time zones based on political boundaries or geographical features, Antarctica does not have a standardized time zone of its own. Instead, the continent is divided into a patchwork of time zones, each corresponding to the time zone of the nearest inhabited landmass or research station. The lack of a designated time zone in Antarctica can be attributed to several factors, including its remote location, harsh climate, and limited human presence. With no permanent population residing in Antarctica, there is little need for a standardized timekeeping system beyond the requirements of scientific research and logistical operations. Research stations and field camps in Antarctica typically adhere to the time zone of their home country or the coordinating organization, such as the Antarctic Treaty System or the Council of Managers of National Antarctic Programs. Moreover, the extreme conditions and isolation of Antarctica make it impractical to maintain separate time zones for different regions of the continent. With limited transportation and communication infrastructure, coordinating activities and operations across multiple time zones would be challenging and inefficient. Instead, researchers and support staff in Antarctica often rely on a common timekeeping system based on Coordinated Universal Time or another standard time reference. Despite the lack of a standardized time zone, researchers and support staff in Antarctica adhere to a regular schedule of work and activities based on the local solar time and the needs of their research or expedition. Days in Antarctica are typically divided into periods of daylight and darkness, with variations depending on the season and latitude. During the Antarctic summer, when daylight hours are longer, researchers may adjust their schedules to take advantage of the extended daylight for fieldwork and outdoor activities. In contrast, during the Antarctic winter, when darkness prevails, researchers may focus on indoor activities and scientific research within the confines of their research stations. Furthermore, the lack of a designated time zone in Antarctica does not preclude the use of standardized timekeeping systems for scientific research and communication purposes. Many research stations and field camps in Antarctica use satellite-based systems such as Global Positioning System or satellite phones to synchronize timekeeping and coordinate activities across different locations. These systems provide accurate and reliable time references, allowing researchers and support staff to communicate and collaborate effectively despite the challenges of operating in Antarctica's remote and inhospitable environment. In conclusion, while there is no designated time zone in Antarctica, researchers and support staff in the continent adhere to a common timekeeping system based on the needs of scientific research and logistical operations. With its extreme conditions and limited human presence, Antarctica presents unique challenges for timekeeping and coordination, requiring innovative solutions and flexible approaches to ensure the success of research and exploration efforts. By leveraging technology and collaboration, researchers in Antarctica can overcome the challenges of operating in one of the most remote and inhospitable regions on Earth while advancing our understanding of the continent's unique environment and ecosystem. The goal of this channel is to answer all the questions in the world in video format. After we achieve it, when you search for anything on internet, you will be able to watch a video answering your question instead of reading an article. However, if we want to achieve our goal of answering 1 million questions, we need your help. Please support us on Patreon by using the link in the description. In exchange, we will feature your name in up to 1,000 videos every single month. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, follow the channel for more related content, and see you later. Goodbye.